We continue exercise 6.5, maxima and minimum. We were discussing about local maxima and local minimum. Let us see third part of question 3. Third part of question 3. This is fx equals to sin x plus cos x. Fx equals to sin x plus cos x. And 0 is less than x is less than pi by 2. The value of x lies between 0 to pi by 2, means in first quadrant. So differentiate f dash x equals to differentiation of sin x, cos x, and differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Make f dash x equals to 0. So we get cos x minus sin x equals to 0, and sin x equals to cos x, and sin x upon cos x equals to 1, and then tan x equals to 1, and the value of 1 in tan x is given by tan pi by 4. So we get the value of x equals to pi by 4. So we have to check the local maxima or local minima at x equals to pi by 4. So pi by 4, the value just before pi by 4, just less than pi by 4. So we can take, this is 45 degree, so pi by 6, and on the right side value we can take pi by 3, 30 degree and 60 degree, and f dash x is cos x minus sin x, cos x minus sin x. We find f dash pi by 6, so cos pi by 6 minus sin pi by 6. The value of cos pi by 6 is root 3 by 2. Sin pi by 6 is 1 by 2. And we get root 3 minus 1 by 2, which is greater than 0. Now put the value of x equals to pi by 3. So f dash pi by 3 equals to cos pi by 3 minus sin pi by 3. So cos pi by 3 means cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree 1 by 2, sin 60 degree root 3 by 2. So it comes 1 minus root 3 by 2, which is less than 0. So f dash x changes its sign from positive to negative. F dash x changes its sign from positive to negative, from positive to negative, and if f dash x changes from positive to negative, it means it has local maximum. It has local maximum, and the local maximum value is found by putting x equals to pi by 4 in the function. So the function is sin x plus cos x. Fx equals to sin x plus cos x, put the value of x as pi by 4. So we get sin pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4. The value of sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. This is also 1 by root 2, 2 by root 2, which is root 2. So the maximum value obtained is root 2. Maximum value equals to under root 2. Next question, part 4. Fx equals to sin x minus cos x. Fx equals to sin x minus cos x. And the value of x lies between 0 to 2 pi. 0 is less than, x is less than 2 pi. So first we differentiate the function. So f dash x equals to cos x, and differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, minus minus plus sin x. Then f dash x equals to 0. This implies cos x plus sin x equals to 0, and sin x by cos x equals to minus 1, and tan x equals to minus 1. Now we have given the interval from 0 to 2 pi. So in the interval 0 to 2 pi, the value of tan x is minus 1. So in which quadrant it lies? Minus 1 lies in which quadrant? We know that in third quadrant the value of tan, in third quadrant the value of tan is positive. So, and in first quadrant all the trigonometric ratios are positive. So its value lies in second quadrant and fourth quadrant. In second quadrant and fourth quadrant. So tan x equals to tan 3 pi by 4. The value of tan 3 pi by 4 is minus 1, and also in fourth quadrant the value of tan 7 pi by 4 is also minus 1. So we get two values in the given interval, x equals to 3 pi by 4 and 7 pi by 4. Two values we get, x equals to 3 pi by 4 and x equals to 7 pi by 4. Now we check the local maxima or minima at these 2 points. So for x equals to 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 means 135 degree. 3 pi by 4 means 135 degree. So its value just before 3 pi by 4. We can take pi by 2, and just after 3 pi by 4. So just after 3 pi by 4, its values is taken as 150 degree, and 150 degree means 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6. So we have taken two values, pi by 2 just before 3 pi by 4 and 5 pi by 6 just after 5 pi by 6. Now the value of f dash x is cos x plus sin x. So f dash pi by 2 cos pi by 2 plus sin pi by 2. The value of cos pi by 2 is 0 and the value of sin pi by 2 is 1. So f dash pi by 2 is 1, which is greater than 0. Now we find f of 5 pi by 6. So cos 5 pi by 6. Cos 5 pi by 6 plus sin 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6 means 150 degree. So this can be written as cos pi minus pi by 6. Cos pi minus pi by 6. Pi minus pi by 6 comes to be 5 pi by 6. And this is also written as sin pi minus 5 pi by 6. Pi minus pi by 6. Pi minus pi by 6. So cos 180 minus theta. Cos pi minus theta means lies in second quadrant, and in second quadrant the value of cos is negative. So cos pi minus pi by 6 is minus cos pi by 6, and sin pi minus pi by 6. In second quadrant, sin is positive, so it gives sin pi by 6. The value of sin pi by 6 means sin 30 degree, which is 1 by 2, and cos pi by 6. This is cos 30 degree root 3 by 2. So we get 1 minus root 3 by 2, which is less than 0. So at x equals to 3 pi by 4, f dash x changes from positive to negative. At x equals to 3 pi by 4, f dash x changes from positive to negative, means it has local maximum value. It has local maximum value. And the local maximum value is found by putting the value of x equals to 3 pi by 4 in a function. So fx is given sin x minus cos x, and we have to find f of 3 pi by 4. So sin 3 pi by 4 minus cos 3 pi by 4, and sin 3 pi by 4 is written as sin 3 pi by 4 is written as pi by 2 plus pi by 4. Sin pi by 2 plus pi by 4, and this is written as cos pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Sin 90 plus theta. Sin 90 plus theta lies in second quadrant, and in second quadrant sin is positive. It becomes cos pi by 2 minus cos 90 plus theta. Cos 90 plus theta. In second quadrant, the value of cos is negative, so it becomes sin minus minus plus sin pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, so we get 2 by root 2 means root 2. So the local maximum value at x equals to 3 pi by 4 is under root of 2. At x equals to 3 pi by 4, it has local maxima, and the local maximum value is root under root of. Now at x equals to the second value 7 pi by 4. 7 pi by 4, the value just less than 7 pi by 4. So we can write 7 pi by 4, 5 pi by 3. 7 pi by 4 means 315 degree. 5 pi by 4, 5 pi by 3 means 300 degree. And the second value is, it can be written as 11 pi by 6. 11 pi by 6 means 330 degree. This is 315 degree, just greater value 330 degree, just less value 300 degree. So find f dash 5 pi by 3. F dash 5 pi by 3. So the value of f dash x is cos 5 pi by 3 plus sin 5 pi by 3. And cos 5 pi by 3 is written as 2 pi minus pi by 3. 2 pi minus pi by 3, we get 5 pi by 3, and sin 5 pi by 3 is also written as sin 2 pi minus pi by 3. Now cos 2 pi minus pi by 3. This is the fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos is positive. So it gives cos pi by 3 and sin 2 pi minus pi by 3. In fourth quadrant, sin is negative. So minus sin pi by 3. The value of cos 60 degree, 1 by 2, and the value of sin 60 degree, root 3 by 2. So this is 1 minus root 3 by 2, which is less than 0. It is less than 0. Now f dash 11 pi by 6. So cos 11 pi by 6 plus sin 11 pi by 6. And 11 pi by 6 can be written as cos 2 pi minus pi by 6. Cos 11 pi by 6 is written as cos 2 pi minus pi by 6, and sin 11 pi by 6 is also written as sin of 2 pi minus pi by 6. Now cos 2 pi minus pi by 6, this gives cos pi by 6, and this gives minus sin pi by 6. The value of cos 30 degree, root 3 by 2, and this is minus 1 by 2. So it comes root 3 minus 1 by 2, which is greater than 0. So f dash, the sign of f dash x changes from negative to positive. F dash x changes from negative to positive. So at x equals to 7 pi by 4, it has local minimum. At x equals to 7 pi by 4, it has local minimum, and the local minimum value, is obtained. Local minimum value local minimum value is obtained by putting the value of x equals to 7 pi by 4 in a function. So fx equals to sin x minus cos x. Put the value of x equals to 7 pi by 4. So sin 7 pi by 4 and minus cos 7 pi by 4. This is written as sin 2 pi minus pi by 4. 2 pi minus pi by 4, 7 pi by 4. And this is written as cos of 2 pi minus pi by 4. So sin 2 pi minus theta. This gives minus sin theta. Means minus sin pi by 4. And cos 2 pi minus theta. This gives plus cos theta. So cos pi by 4. So minus 1 by root 2 and minus 1 by root 2. The result we get minus 2 by root 2, which is minus root 2. So this is the local minimum value. The local minimum value is obtained at x equals to 7 pi by 4 and it is minus root 2, and the local maximum value obtained at x equals to 3 pi by 4 and the local maximum value is under root of 2. The next question, fifth part of third. Fifth part of question number 3. Fx equals to x cube minus 6x square plus 9x and plus 50. This is the function fx equals to x cube minus 6x square plus 9x plus 50. So we find f dash x. F dash x is 3x square minus 12x plus 9. Differentiation of 15. The constant term is 0. Then make it equals to 0. F dash x equals to 0. This implies 3x square minus 12x plus 9 equals to 0. From these terms, 3 is taken common. So x square minus 4x plus 3 equals to 0. And x square minus 4x plus 3 equals to 0. We make its factor. X square minus 3x minus x plus 3 equals to 0. From first two terms, x is common. From the last two terms, minus 1 is common. So we get two values, x equals to 1 and x equals to 3. And on these two values, we have to check the local maxima or local minimum. So at x equals to 1, the value just less than 1. So it would be taken 0.5 means 1 by 2 and just greater than 1. So this is 1.5 or 3 by 2. Now f dash x. The value of f dash x is 3x square minus 12x plus 9. And put the value of x in this expression. Firstly, x equals to 1 by 2. So f dash 1 by 2 equals to 3 into 1 by 2 the square minus 2, 12 into 1 by 2 plus 9. We get 3 by 4 minus 6 plus 9. So 3 by 4 plus 3. This is 15 by 4, and 15 by 4 is greater than 0. So at x equals to 1 by 2, we get the value 15 by 4, which is greater than 0. Then f dash 3 by 2. 3 into 3 by 2 the whole square, 9 by 4 minus 12 into 3 by 2 plus 9. This is 27 by 4 minus 18 plus 9. So 27 by 4 minus 9, and 27 minus 36 upon 4. So this comes to be minus 9 by 4, which is less than 0. So f dash x changes from positive to negative. The sign of f dash x changes from positive to negative, means it has local maximum value. It has local maximum value, and local maximum value is found by putting the value of x as 1 in the function. So 1 minus 6 plus 9 plus 15. This gives 15 plus 1 16 plus 9 25. 25 minus 6 19. So the local maximum value is 19. Now the next value, x equals to 3. At x equals to 3. So just before 3, the value taken is 5 by 2, and just after, the value taken is 7 by 2. 5 by 2, the value less than 3, and 7 by 2, which is greater than 3. So the value of f dash x is 3x square minus 12x plus 9, and f dash 5 by 2. So 3 into 5 by 2 the whole square, 25 by 4 minus 12 into 5 by 2 plus 9. This comes to be 75 by 4. 9 minus 30. 6 into 5, 30. 9 minus 30 minus 21. LCM 4, 75 minus 84. This is minus 9 by 4, which is less than 0. And f dash 7 by 2. 3 into 49 by 4 minus 12 into 7 by 2 plus 9. This comes to be 147 by 4 and 9 minus 676 just 63 plus 9. So 147 by 4 and minus 63 plus 9. minus 54. So 147 by 4 minus 7 by 2. This is 9 into 3, 27, 147 by 4. The value we have taken 7 by 2. So 49 by 4 minus 12 into 7 by 2. 7 into 6, 42. And minus 42 plus 9, minus 33. And this is 132 by 4. And this comes to be 15 by 4, which is greater than 0. So f dash x changes from negative to positive. So it has local minima, and the local minima value is obtained by putting the value of x equals to 3 in the equation. F3 equals to 3 cube 27 minus 3 the square 9, 9 6 54, and 9 into 3 27 and plus 15. The minimum value comes to be 15. So the maximum value is 19 and the minimum value is 15.